Hello everyone, welcome back. Remember to smash that thumbs up button as soon as you join. Smash that thumbs up. Starting off as usual, we're gonna do 100 and about 130 of them. These it's good for the shoulder and the traps. It's like it's what I love to start out my shoulder workout with. So we're gonna do this straight until it's burning, till it's burning my shoulder crazy. All right, let's go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 20, 27, 30, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Not gonna stop until my shoulder is burning like crazy. 51. It's more. 60. I know it's more, but let's work with that. 70. 80. 92. 100. 6, 7. Can feel it burning. Come on. Come on. All the way around. Come on. That's about 140, guys. Whoa! Can feel it. So if you guys join up, smash a thumbs up on you guys. Zero weights, you still feel earns. Trust me. Trust me. It's exactly when you're doing high reps. Definitely gonna feel that burn. Alright guys, smash a thumbs up button. Now it's time for some lifting. Yep. Warm up. The problem is that once you got your dream physique, you gotta still carry it on, work out to maintain it your whole life. Oh wait, that's a problem for you? That don't sound like a problem to me, man. Nothing's good like when you can get up and work out each and every day and push yourself harder and harder. Sounds like you need some motivation, bro. You know, so you're at the right place, man. So, so always remember that you should put yourself first and work on yourself. And there's no problem. There's no problem in getting up and showing up each and every day and working on yourself. Remember that. So no matter what you're going through, bro, remember that. If you're going through a hard time, just remember that. Nothing feels good like when you're working out, building yourself mentally and physically. Smash that thumbs up button, guys, and subscribe to the channel. Are you naturally excited? Oh yeah. See, in life, once you love yourself and you respect yourself, you respect everything you do, you know, for the success, for the gains. That's how people are gonna respect you, man. First, everything start with you first. I know how it is, man. You're gonna have people that's not really like-minded and need that extra boost. That's why I'm here. Even if they're not, even if they're not gonna even grasp what I'm saying. Not everyone gonna understand. It's just how it is. Let's do one more set on each side, guys. Woo. All right, guys, don't forget to smash that thumbs up, all right? Appreciate you all, man. Woo. No pain, no gain. All right, guys, remember to smash that thumbs up button. Oh, yeah. All right. Make sure this stop thing is bright. All right, we're good. We're chilling. Battery is still fresh, so it's all good. Hey, yo, James Smith. All right, guys, let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it. Remember to smash that thumbs up button, all right? Hit that thumbs up. If you're brand new to the channel, subscribe, all right? Let's go. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, yeah. Trying to get in some boxing later on, guys. What do you guys think? Thinking about joining UFC. What you guys think, man? Let me know. Let me know. Can I count on you guys support? I'm joining UFC. Tyson Fury. For real, man. I have to try to get a contract to take on Jake Paul. Tree said with this one, guys. Boxing isn't just muscle, I know. I know that. Muscle don't mean anything. It's all about technique. Yeah, guys, don't forget that punching bag up and running again. All right, final set. Oops. That's not what we want to do. Hey, William. Guys, remember to smash that thumbs up button, guys. Let's get 20 likes off the rip. Come on. Smash that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're brand new. Yeah, guys, let's get it. Let's get it. All right, final set. Then we're going to add some more weight. Thank you. Appreciate that. Let's go. All right, chat, smash that thumbs up button, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Smash that thumbs up. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Game changing time. It's time to change the game. It's time to change the game. So we now left a game. Now left a game. We just now left a game. We just now left a game. Boom. Now left a game. We say we now if you game. Smash that thumbs up button, guys. Subscribe. Let's get this money. Right now we say we now if you game. We just now if you game. Wait. I'm not even trying to. We're not even trying to, guys. Come on. Let's get it. Oh yeah. Smash that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, alright? Oh yeah, we ain't changing it. We just now if you game. Now if you game. Two more. Two more with this one, guys. Let's get it. Oh yeah. Hey, yo, Nick. You. All right, guys, one more set. Yeah. You know what? Two more set. Whoa, let's get it. Let's get that money. Yeah. Two more push. Yes. Smash that thumbs up button. Let's get this. Been gaining weight like crazy. Need to hit the gym. Wait, is this the guy, the troll? That guy, that hilarious comedy guy? It gotta be that guy, Anthony. That's you, right? This is the comedian, right? All right, guys. Remember to smash that thumbs up button, guys. Let's get this money. Oh yeah. Stupid college. Is that Tijani? Yeah, what's good? That's good. Smash that thumbs up button, man. Subscribe if you're brand new to the channel. There's no excuse, guys. Let's get it. I appreciate the subscription. Thank you. Appreciate that. keep getting this money. Let's get this cash. All right, guys, final set with this one. Wait. No, I need to. All right, guys, where are we watching from? Which workout you guys doing today or already did? Let me know. Jump in the comment section. Let me know what's up. Two more likes for 20. Come on, let's get it. Let's get it, guys. Let's get this money. Anything in life that's successful. Come on, guys. Let's keep working towards it. Let's go. These are slippery, man. Ah! Oh, yeah. All right, chat. One more set. Hey boy, what's good? How's it going, man? All right, guys, remember to hit that thumbs up button, guys. Hit that like button. Let's go. Subscribe, drop a comment, let me know where you're watching from or which working out. What are you training today? What you already trained? Let's get it. All right, we can get it. We can get it. We can get it. Let's go. $1 minute plank for $1. All right, give me a sec. I'm gonna do one more set with this. All right, the final set with this. Then I'm gonna do that. Up. Up. Whoa. All right, so you said a 1 minute plank. All right. So I'm gonna show you the form first. You let me know if that's the right form. All right. Because I don't really do this stuff like this, but I think I know exactly what you're talking about. So I'm gonna show you first. You let me know if that's the form. Let's get it. All right, so watch and just drop yes if that's the right form, so I can just do the 1 minute. Is it something like this? Okay. All right. Got you. All right, ready. Where's that timer? All right, I see the timer on the screen. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa. Yo, dude. Appreciate you let me do this, man. It's been a while. Definitely feels good. Definitely feels good, man. Appreciate it, man. Shout out. Yeah, boy. Shout out, man. That feels good, man. I'm gonna have to start doing some plank on more often, man. Whoa. That was crazy, man. I'll be back tomorrow. Appreciate you stopping by, man. All right, so, all right, guys, now it's time for some pull-ups. Subscribe. Hit that thumbs up, all right? Let's get it. Good luck with your lifts. Appreciate that. Stay hydrated. Whoa, let's get it. Can do muscle ups, yeah, but these bar are not stable. I'm gonna show you, watch. I can do muscle up, but not on these bars. I'm gonna show you why I can't do muscle up on these bars. Check it out. See? You're not stable. If it was stable, yeah. So I'm currently I got an idea. I'm gonna build a bar where I can do muscle ups. I'll build a bar soon. Let's get it. Ooh. Yeah. One more go. Still a kid? How old are you? Oh, 13. Oh, okay, okay. Well, that's pretty good though, cause the earlier is better. So if you can get if you can have a discipline like from that age, trust me, that would be so cool, man. Well, yeah, it's always better like when you get your mind made up like from such a early, from such a young age. Definitely, is much better. And most people nowadays, just starting out and working out like their 40s, 30s, 50s, some 20s. So if you can just have that mindset from an early age, trust me, man, that'll be so good for you, man. This stuff come with a lot of pain, guys. Remember when I just started doing the skull crushers? I remember when I just started curls, like doing heavy curls. It's a lot of pain. But as soon as your body get used to it, you don't have to worry no more. When you feel that pain though, it's a good thing. It's a sign that you're doing something, you know? You're getting results. Yeah. Whoa. I'll take that. Smash that thumbs up. Subscribe. Ooh. Yeah. One more set. Do you bench? No, I don't do bench press. Right now, working with a lightweight, warming up for bicep training. Some curls. So this is 60, 67, 66 pound. A lot of red meat, mostly rice, chicken. Banana yam, Jamaican dumpling, stuff like that. Yes, you can. You can. All right, I'm gonna show you something. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe and smash that thumbs up. All right, I'm gonna show you something. We all here to teach each other and to push each other. All right. See when you're doing pull-ups, if you hold the bar like this, when you're doing pull-ups, look, just look. See? Look at my bicep. You focus on that bicep when you're doing pull-ups. That's how you're gonna hit the biceps. You hold the bar like this when you're doing pull-ups. When you do these, you can do these as well, but this way is more beneficial. When you hold the bar like this, you're going up. You see the bicep? You focus on your bicep, you're definitely hitting it hard. Wish you the best, bro. Good night. Yeah, good night, man. What's the time for you? It's 5:22 p.m. You're welcome, man. It's 5:23 p.m. in Arizona, and it's 3:22 p.m. Really? I guess we're two hours ahead. Where are you, Jamaica? Yeah. Time zones are different. Yeah. Jamaica pretty far from the US now. Jamaica is right next to I think like a hour. I think like a hour flight from Miami. Is it a hour flight from Miami? I think. Yeah, I think a hour or 2 hour from Miami flight. Or just a hour from Miami, I think. chilling in cell, watching the Jamaica sunshine. Oh, really? Anyway, anywhere you're from, man, big up, respect. Starting all fresh, daily push-ups and plank with some cardio. Nice, nice, awesome. Keep it up, keep it going, man. Don't ever stop. Struggling with fat right now. It's not supposed to be easy. Remember that. It's not gonna be easy. Each and every day is not gonna be easy. You know, that's why it's just good to, you know, develop that discipline. To develop that discipline, you have to show up each and every day and don't find any excuse. You know, show up. Even when the odds are stacked against you, you have to show up. Because by the end of the day, you know that you have to show up. You know, so you just keep that and the result or your target, what you want to look like, or you know, if you want to get strong or whatever, make that push you each and every day. Yo, dog of war, what's good, man? What's popping? What's popping? Congratulations, thank you. Smash a thumbs up buddy, guys. Subscribe, let's get it. Epic body, bro. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. Oh, eating junk food. Yeah, you're gonna have to make necessary changement and sacrifice. You know, because I'm not here to be like, hey, it's easy. Nothing is easy. Nothing in life that's successful or uplifting, it's gonna be easy. So you have to make the necessary arrangements the way you have to do, you know, to get it, man, to show up, make it happen. Just trust the process, because everything takes time. The more effort we put in, though, definitely gonna make it come even more quicker, right? But trust the process, man, and make the necessary changes. All right? Yeah. But by the end of the day, you know that it's gonna better your life. It's gonna better your life. Make you live longer. Be healthy. Look even much better. Gain more muscles. You know, more confident. Strong mentally, physically. Yeah. Healthy. Ah. Green apples. Nothing wrong with green apples, but unless, as long as it's, as we Jamaican would say, I guess ripe or not. When you said green, not like young, not fit. As long as it's fit and ready to eat, and there's nothing wrong with eating fruits. Do you play games? Yeah, my free time I play Warzone. I would do some sim drifting as well. I set a course. Nowadays I barely even got time to play games though, but the new Warzone definitely making some changes. Play that game. I'm a huge fan. Also trying to eat vegetables a lot better. Yeah, vegetables are good for you. So keep it up. All right, guys. One more set with this, guys. One more set with this. Let's get it. Woo! Play Black Ops 6. Yeah, I played yeah. But no, my free time definitely looking to put in some extra time on grind Warzone, the new Warzone. Put in a lot of time and also in Warzone, you know. I barely even got time, but definitely try to should play Rainbow Six. Or you don't got Black Ops 6, but you're gonna buy it. Only DNA. Yo, what's up? Hey, Top. Sekou. Did I pronounce that right? Is that Sekou? Oh, yeah. Actually out of water already. Appreciate everyone that already subscribed. Appreciate you all, man. Are you in a relationship? Hey, bro, why you asking that stuff, bro? Come on, man. It's below 6 there. Oh, that's crazy, man. Out here is we're in the I'm in the tropics in Jamaica, man. So I think we're definitely getting. Are you in America? In America, they use Fahrenheit, but out here we use degrees Celsius. I think it's about 20, 23, 24 degrees Celsius right now, 25 or less. So we don't get real winter out here. We don't get winter out here. We don't get only the summer right. Heat and some breeze right through. When you use Celsius, awesome. But that's crazy though, man. Finland, that's crazy. Right below -6, that's crazy. But you still train outside? Yeah, man. You know, yo, as a Jamaican, I'm not even used to that cold, man. So I don't know. I don't know if I could manage that, to be honest. But you guys definitely used to that, huh? That probably ain't even nothing for you guys, right? -6. Oh yeah, man. It's awesome having you here, man. From Finland. That's awesome, man. Got audience from literally all over the world. All right, let's finish up. We got we're doing about 5 sets with this one. After that, it becomes difficult, asthmatic to breathe freezing air. Yeah. Hey, Caroline. Caroline, what's up? What's up? What's up? How's it going? Whoo! Yeah. Enjoy the outdoors with a little ganja before it rains. Day and night for the next few days. See you're killing it. Okay, I hear you smoking that green. All right, all right. Don't get too high now. Don't get too high. Bro, why? All right, guys, let's get this morning. Woo! Yeah. Yo. Yeah. All right, chat, let's get it. Two more set to go, right? All right, guys. Yeah, we're looking here. Place is getting dark. One more set for the money. For that extra money. Let's get it. Let's get this extra money, guys. Yeah. Whoa. Appreciate you all, man. Make sure we smash that thumbs up, all right? Whoa. Appreciate you all. Thank you, guys. Make sure we all subscribe. I'm a subscriber already, guys, and get y'all another one, all right? Be safe. Remember, stay focused. Let's get it.